So, today we're going to be talking about personality development. Before I start to even talk about it, I would like to narrate a short story. Now, this story is something which I keep telling people everywhere that I meet, I take sessions. So I use this story as an example. So there was this. I'm doing that as well here. So there was this man who made his thing by selling balloons at a fair. So he used to have different colored balloons, red, yellow, green, blue. So he used to sell balloons at a fair. So every time his business is to go down, what he used to do is he used to release one helium-filled balloon in the air, and as he did that, the children used to go and buy one balloon. So that way his sale used to rise every time. So this used to continue throughout the day. So every time he used to have a low sale, he used to just release one balloon, and his business used to go up. One fine day, he found a little boy tugging at his jacket. So he turned around and he asked the boy that what is the matter. So the boy very inquisitively asked the man that, sir, if you release a black balloon, will that also fly? So moved by the boy's concern, the man replied that, son, it is not the color of the balloon that is helping the balloon to fly. It is what is inside the balloon that is helping the balloon to fly. So you can understand what the principle is. So this principle we apply to our daily lives as well. It is what is inside of us, and what's inside of us that makes us go up is our attitude. The biggest discovery, I think, in our generations and in the future also is that the human beings can alter their lives by altering their attitudes of mind. So I think attitude, like positive attitude, there is negative attitude, and both are equally powerful. Right? They both are very powerful, and it takes us in opposite directions. Like positive attitude can help us achieve our goals, make us reach new heights, achieve new heights. Negative thinking can also propel people towards self-destruction. Okay, so attitude is the most important word in English language. The foundation of success, regardless of your chosen field, is attitude.
Tutology.